shining faces. Ding dong, karate delivery.
What's your fucking issue?
Why is there penis in my pizza crust?
Drink sip.
You're a good person, okay?
Don't fuck with me right now. Don't fuck with me right now. Use the power of the cinnamon to get him down low. I'll let myself out if that's okay with you.
Trish, I can't believe you wet me! Hey! Fuck me! Good job.
He's saying something, and they saying stupid shit.
You think you can outlast me in this fish tank?
I'm just here to nurture the fuck out of everyone.
Incredible. How would you feel if you didn't have breakfast this morning?
I'm actually holding him hostage in here, so I can beat him.
You okay?
On a scale of 1 to 10, you're at like a 9.5.
Right here.
Do you think you could dial it down to maybe like a 2, 2.5?
This is me at a 3.
Are you okay?
Your fucking dream. Fucking did it.
Get around like a third grade, say I quit. You're a shit fucking chess player. Bye-bye. Calm down with this! You told me you were gonna make the show good! Mission failed! Give a big fish tank round of applause for Mr. Beast.
You three boys make this in 1 minute.
I would never shut my mouth for a broke bitch living in a square box, bitch.
You said stay here for 5 days. I stay here for 5 days. Now I'm going home.
Yes, but I think it would be preferable for you to stay the remainder of the competition.
Please give me your money.
Oh my god, hooray! Stop!
It's a bad idea.
And stop!
Oliver, are you gay?
Bitch, Beaver Street ain't coming for nothing, bitch.
Taylor can go fuck yourself.
It's security hazard.
It's fucking Modelo time!
Creamed up.
Oh, sorry,
Capture that grid.
to the city
pain in their eyes when I killed him.